Come up. To happen unexpectedly. Something came up, and I can't meet today. A new project came up at work. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. I get along well with my coworkers. They don't get along like they used to. Go over. To review or examine. Let's go over the plans one more time. I need to go over my notes before the test. Take out. To remove something. I'll take out the trash after dinner. She took out her phone to check the time. Work out. To exercise or find a solution. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. We need to work out the details of the plan. Breathe in. To inhale air. Take a moment to breathe in deeply. Breathe in the fresh air of the morning. Breathe out. To exhale air. Breathe out slowly to relax. After you breathe in, breathe out completely. Chill out. To relax or calm down. You need to chill out and stop stressing. Let's just chill out and enjoy the day. Wrap up. To finish something. Let's wrap up the meeting. I need to wrap up my work before leaving. Turn down. To reject or lower the volume. He turned down the job offer. Can you turn down the radio? Back up. To make a copy or to support. Don't forget to back up your files. I can back you up if you need help. Go through. To examine or experience something. I need to go through these documents. She went through a lot of challenges last year. Sign up. To enroll or register for something. I want to sign up for the yoga class. Have you signed up for the newsletter? Look up. To search for information. I need to look up the address online. Can you look up the movie times? Get over. To recover from something. It took me a while to get over my cold. He finally got over the breakup. Let down. To disappoint someone. I didn't mean to let you down. She felt let down by her friends. Take on. To accept a responsibility. I'm ready to take on more work. She took on the project as a challenge. Cut back. To reduce something. I need to cut back on sugar. They decided to cut back on expenses. Make up. To invent or reconcile. She made up an excuse for being late. They finally made up after their argument. Find out. To discover information. I found out about the surprise party. Did you find out what time the meeting is? Come across. To encounter or find unexpectedly. I came across an old friend at the store. He came across some interesting articles online.
Pull together. To organize or gather. We need to pull together our ideas for the presentation. Let's pull together and finish this project.
Pull together. To organize or gather. We need to pull together our ideas for the presentation. Let's pull together and finish this project.
Stay up. To remain awake past usual bedtime. I stayed up late to finish my book. She usually stays up to watch games.
Stay up. To remain awake past usual bedtime. I stayed up late to finish my book. She usually stays up to watch games.
Head out. To leave or set off. I'm going to head out to the gym now. They'll head out early in the morning.
Head out. To leave or set off. I'm going to head out to the gym now. They'll head out early in the morning.
Sort out. To organize or resolve. I need to sort out my schedule for next week. Let's sort out this issue together.
Sort out. To organize or resolve. I need to sort out my schedule for next week. Let's sort out this issue together.